Bryce Taylor set to go down against Calvin Burnett. Bryce Taylor having a record of 11-0. Such a heavy-handed guy, 6'4". People gonna say he's fat, maybe man, but he's so strong, he's so nasty, powerful. He defeated James Evans, Michael Polite Coffee, Robert Siem, Seth Fontaine, Trevor Kotara, Jarrell Nettles. Calvin Burnett has a record of 7-4-0. Used to be an NFL guy, but now he turned boxing. 6'3", fighting out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. He destroyed Drake Banks, Dominic Valera, but lost to Paul Coon, Federico Pacheco Jr., Devon Young, Alexei Dronov. I see him as a technical fighter or kill or be killed, depends on how the fight develops. But Bryce Taylor just offers more experience, and unfortunately for him, I think Bryce Taylor is gonna knock him out or win a decision. I don't see any route to victory for Calvin Burnett. I would love to see it, but I don't.